Start your day by waking up between 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. Don't hit snooze. That first choice sets the tone for your day. Sit up, put your feet on the floor, and take a few deep breaths. Say to yourself, today, I get 1% better. Drink a big glass of water with a bit of salt or lemon if you like to wake up your body and brain. Step outside for a couple of minutes of sunlight. No phone, just light, fresh air, and a short walk or some stretches. Eat a simple high-protein breakfast and avoid heavy sugar so your energy stays stable. Before you touch social media, take a few minutes to meditate or sit in silence and focus on your breathing. This trains your focus and your mindset. If you can, do a quick workout. Push-ups, squats, or a short run. It doesn't have to be perfect, just done. If you like caffeine, have 1 cup of coffee or tea, then block out about an hour of deep work. No notifications, no multitasking. Pick the most important task of the day and finish it. Late morning, take a short break to walk, stretch, and drink more water. For lunch, choose a protein-rich, low-carb meal to avoid the afternoon crash and stay sharp. After lunch, get a bit more sunlight or fresh air to reset your mind. No scrolling, just walking and thinking. In the afternoon, handle shallow tasks, emails, messages, and small errands. Keep the heavy thinking in the morning and the lighter work later. At some point today, connect with someone you care about. A quick call, a message, or a voice note. Spend a little time learning and a little time creating. Read a few pages, listen to something useful, journal, or plan your future. For dinner, eat a balanced meal with protein, vegetables, and some healthy carbs. Eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. About 1 hour before bed, start your wind-down routine. Dim the lights and stay away from screens as much as you can. Take a moment to reflect on your day, what went well and what you can improve tomorrow. Write down a few wins and 1 lesson, then set 3 clear priorities for tomorrow. End the day with light stretching or simple breath work so your body knows it's time to relax. Go to bed between 9 p.m. and 10 p.m., recharge, and repeat this routine consistently. That's how your energy, confidence, and life start to change. One simple day at a time.